Hello everyone, today in front of me I have TOSCIDO M863 tablet, and let me show how you can set the Opera as your default browser on this device. So the first way to do that is to go to Settings. Here look for the Apps and Notifications category. At the Apps and Notifications page, go for the default apps. Here choose Browser app, and all that is left to do is to select Opera, and that will mean that we have successfully set it as our default browser. If we will get back, we'll see that Opera has been set as for the default browser app. There is also the second way to do that, directly from the Opera application itself, so let's open it. Here tap on this avatar, go for the settings, and scroll down until you stumble upon the default browser section. Then just tap on it, click on next, select Opera as we did from the settings, and tap on set as default. And that will also mean that we have successfully set Opera as our default browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!